Good evening.
Good evening.
Before I like to start, I like to emphasize these are all allegations. Okay, let's begin. So, I filed a formal ethics complaint under Student Body Statute 101.71, which allows me to submit any ethics complaint to both an ethics chairperson. However, this is a special case because a member of the Senate Executive Board and the Chief Justice have been charged under this complaint. So therefore, an acting Chief Justice has to appoint a special investigator to conduct a preliminary investigation to find probable cause. So I'll just go over the charges. Okay, so the people who have been charged are the Senate President and the Chief Justice, and they've been charged with unlawful compensation or lawful official behavior, conflict of interest, and inducing the act. So I'll start with the first charge. So I allege that these two individuals have been instrumental in the adoption and execution of unlawful acts, such as implementing a winner-take-all political system and maintaining that system to an ad-hoc campus district, which ensure that one party can achieve domination in the chamber and pass budgetary measures and executive nominations. Now this stems from a conflict of interest, as these individuals serve up certain private organizations for the Buki, and they've been alleged to have monetary financial conflicts of interest, which within accident and SGP, where they've been alleged to commit collect subsidiaries of Gator Ground dollars, and also have 4 Buki members from the greater town area that work with accident collect those tuition dollars. And they have been, and in particular, the Chief Justice has been inducing the other Associated Justices to act in favor of these unlawful orders in order to ensure that any cases that challenge the outward map are preserved and it's completely constitutional, and they have created a political environment to streamline that is favorable for the Buki. So I'll just go over the 10 sets I have. 1998 Charles Grasky defamation case against Florida Buki established a historical involvement in the University of Florida student government. And here we have a bunch of court documents, including additional notice, which if you don't know what additional notice is, it basically is a thing from the court that states facts. So, like, for example, the sky is blue. So in this case, in 1998, the court found that Florida Buki has had a historical political function in connection with student government affairs at the University of Florida, in addition to its other functions on gay ground, homecoming, and other matters. So that's basically this entire section of the documents. As you can see, there's a bunch of testimonies, affidavits, and depositions from former student government officials that collaborate that under the student government, Florida Buki has helped operate a political machine that is regarded to be known as the system. And after this lawsuit, as you can see from the academic thesis from 2005 to 2025, they have been reorganized from their traditional faction section into 3 blocks: the political block, the social block, and the third block, and have been working with multicultural organizations to ensure that control in student government stays in control with Florida Buki. As you see, this is a very long document, very, very long, very, very long, very, very long. As you can see, I have theses from David Bradshaw, Joshua Abacon, and Ray Arsenis that corroborate the existence of the system in student government. And I also have 20 set 3 basic books on the I-Board Sacred Collection mechanism that is utilized by the system to maintain control of student government. There was an art recording week in 2010 that basically showcased how these white voter takers, they force sororities, fraternities that have members vote through compulsory voting. They had them vote through basically bribing them with food or alcohol, and they basically explicitly said this is an insured control stage with Florida Buki in the Greek system. So, this is more of what I talked about, set 4. It's more about the alleged monetary conflicts of interest with Florida Buki and student government through accident SGP, where they've been collecting tuition dollars. Let's see. This is set 5 connects Vision Party to Florida Buki explicitly by showing the late sticker board from fall 23, which is when they first appeared, and late text messages from Florida Buki member Jerry Weingard, who was later revealed to after position for former key president passed up. So, yeah, pretty standard.
That's done.
As you can see, a lot of evidence. Thank you.